Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shop. Looking for the best welding machines in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 welding machines on 2023. In this best welding machines review video, we will show you 5 top rated welding machines to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best welding machines. We made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. Orders, review, rating, percent off, price, link on description. Check the description link for full product information and price. Number 4. Orders, review, rating, percent off, price, link on description. Number 3. Check description below for product link. Orders, review, rating, percent off, price, link on description. Number 2. Orders, review, rating, percent off, price, link on description. Number 1. Orders, review, rating, percent off, price, link on description. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.